Hi, this is Jackie with the Builderall team. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you an overview of the Funnel Club as well as the differences between a premium account and a premium account with Funnel Club. Once you've signed up for Funnel Club, it will be a good idea to first go through the onboarding process so that you can get a fay with what is available, like getting your domain connected and basically how to get started. To do that is quite easy. Just go to the affiliate tab right here on the top, click on that, and then you're going to move to the left-hand side and you will see the icon called Funnel Club. You're going to click on that. Then this tab is going to open up. On this tab, you can scroll down and you're going to see all the different options that's available. And I'm going to keep scrolling so that you can see. And right here at the bottom is all the different kinds of funnels. And another way to access these funnels is if you go back to your dashboard. I'm just going to go back to the other tab. Right here on Funnel Club, if you click on that drop down arrow, you're going to see all the different kind of funnels opening right here. Now, if you do not have the Funnel Club, you will only have access to the Builderall Premium funnel sitting here. Now, if you click on that name, this tab is going to open up for you. And you would be able to see all the different kinds of funnels that you would be able to use to promote. You can see that we've got quite a lot sitting right there. I'm going to go back to the top. Then for those that have the Funnel Club, you can also click on Funnel Showcase right here. And it will open up a tab looking like this. And you will be able to scroll down. And this is a very awesome area because you would be able to view what the funnel looks like. You can also download the social media, and that is the images to promote the specific funnel. And you can also download the ad description. So if I click on the description, this is the image that you would be able to download. And then you can see all the information with regards to the ad if you want to start promoting it on Facebook. So that is the option that you have right there. Then obviously, if you're going to go through all these different kinds of funnels right here, it's exactly what it says. Funnel builder, sales page funnels, which is our tools, information product funnels, agency funnels. There's really quite a lot that you can choose from. And that is basically the differences between Funnel Club and a premium account without the Funnel Club. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you in another.